Hello viewers, why try to explain miracles to your kids when you can just have them plant a garden? A wonderful proverb by Robert Bruel. This is Shubha and welcome back to my channel Green Thumb. We are indeed talking about a miracle tree today. It's mainly called Moringa or drumstick tree in India. It is widely grown in tropical and subtropical regions. People worldwide have appreciated this tree for its versatility, medicinal properties, and also categorized it into superfood of superfoods. It is cultivated and harvested in India for its drumstick fruit and leaves. The South Indian lentil stew or sambar as it is called, made with vegetables and spices, is always considered incomplete without drumsticks in it. I still consider myself lucky and fortunate to have an opportunity to plant and grow this beauty at home. It is a fast growing deciduous tree and if left unpruned can reach a height of 35 to 40 feet with a trunk of 1.5 feet wide. Propagation can be done through sowing a seed or a cutting. I planted a 10-inch cutting directly in a 24-inch by 20-inch container and within no time the flowers bloomed. I removed the flowers so that the energy is used by the cutting to establish a strong root system. I chose a bigger and deeper container with drain hole because Moringa has tap root, which means the main root grows vertically deep into the soil and then lateral roots form. Plants with tap roots tend to be very drought tolerant as they can send the roots deep down in search of water even in dry conditions. It's all about how you want your moringa to grow. If you want it to grow tall and as a tree, prune it from the bottom. To have a bushy plant with lots of leaves to harvest, just pinch off the new growth at the top. Soil, water and feed. My soil consists of potting mix, organic composted cow manure and neem powder. I got this plant indoors in the beginning of October and it's thriving well so far. Water once a week so that the soil stays damp. Light needs. They need full sun to grow well. With the exception of tropical climates, Moringa goes dormant in winter. The tree has to be brought inside when it gets too cold outside. When inside, place the container in an area that receives maximum sunlight possible. If you have a greenhouse, then you hit the jackpot. Harvesting. I believe the entire plant or tree is edible, but personally we are used to only eating the drumsticks and the leaves. The leaves can be pulled off by hand and used in making soups, smoothies or stir fries. The choices are unlimited thanks to Google. Health benefits. We have been eating moringa since our childhood as part of the regular nourishing diet. It was just a backyard plant for us and our daily menu was determined by vegetable harvest on that particular day and not by the contents in the refrigerator. This supernourishes plant is known to have antifungal, anti-inflammatory, immune strengthening and antioxidant properties amongst other health benefits. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and if you did, please like, share and subscribe. Your comments are welcome. Happy blooming. Namaste.